The work of a cold Pirgel mill operator, a maintenance mechanic and rigger is essential in industrial production. The mill operator controls the pipe rolling process and ensures high quality and precision. The maintenance mechanic keep equipment running smoothly and fix technical problems. The rigger is responsible for safely lifting and moving heavy loads. This profession requires responsibility, attention to detail, and technical skills. They are high demand, offer stable income, and provide real career opportunities. If you want a reliable and profitable career with a strong future, consider training in one of these fields. It's a smart choice for stability and success.